first time to I'll be sa street, you know what I mean? It's a LTP girl, what you do, no tell. So she hurting, I love her, no she don't care.
I see you. I see you. Really take this feeling. I see you. I see you. No, I'm really just to hit this feeling.
Hey guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back. Now today I will be doing part 2 of the watercolor bob. This will be the install. If you guys missed part 1, that video will be in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. Part 1, I went ahead and watercolored the hair to this beautiful reverse ombre, so just be sure to check out that video. So now I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond. This is the glue that I will be using today. I will be applying 2 layers and of course letting each layer dry. Of course, after the second layer has dried, I will be applying the wig. I do have other videos of me installing wigs, or the method that I use when I install the wigs, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video.
No, I'm really just too hit this bill. take this feeling. Now I'm really just this feeling.
And this is how the install turns out. The lace melted beautifully. It blended well with the makeup. Everything looks great. I am in love with this bob. As you guys can see, I am feeling myself a little bit. This is something different for me. So I just love the way how it came out. The hair is still soft. Again, the link to the hair will be in the description box. So go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested in getting this bob. Again, it was a 14-inch bob, 13x4 lace front wig. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. And always remember to stay beautiful.